Hi, it's Reed again at RCN Technologies, and I want to tell you a little story about a customer that we did POTS line replacement for a couple years back. This was a notable airport in Georgia. In fact, it might be one of the world's busiest airports in the world. They had a problem in one of their terminals, 100 POTS lines. The infrastructure of the airport prevented them from running more widely available broadband services to power a lot of the gate agent phones that they had running in this terminal. And so these 100 POTS lines, they were going up in price from their carrier, and the airport knew they had to get out from under them. So here comes RCN. We go down there and we do a site survey, and out of these 100 lines, would you believe it, we found 10 out of those 100 that were connected to nothing. Absolutely nothing. They were rendering no value. Who knows how long these lines had been connected, or rather not connected, but on, and how long the airport had been paying for these POTS lines. So observing no value feasibly for a decade, they were just draining their bank account. And the price when we were doing our work was about $80 per line. So let's extrapolate that over the course of 12 months. That's 10 grand a year. Over the past decade, that's 100 grand in loss that this customer was incurring. Everyone, I call these ghost lines, phantom lines. These are POTS lines that were powering some specific application ages to eons to days, weeks, months ago. But whenever that transition to modern VoIP solutions happened, they just did not get canceled, and they've quietly been collecting against your piggy bank for years and years and years on end. So most customers, the moral of the story is most customers find some level of savings immediately when they do a site survey for POTS replacement with RCN Technologies. The last thing I'll say is I just got a site survey report back the other day, Municipality in Texas, over 200 lines, over 50 locations. It was a massive effort, but I'm looking at the preliminary findings, and it looks like the lines that are ghost lines, phantom lines connected to nothing, they are quite a few. We're talking 50 plus. So that's exciting. They are going to eliminate those immediately, and they're going to unlock huge savings. Then we're going to take this solution right here, POTS Link, and we're going to replace the rest of their lines connected to elevators, fire panels, security panels, fax machines, you name it, we will get it done with POTS Link. That's the story I wanted to share today. And of course, if you are under the suspicion that you've got some phantom lines, or you have got customers with phantom lines, give me a shout, connect with me, connect with RCN. We want to talk to you. We want to hunt those things. We want to turn them off.